Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is another video on my Awesome Days series that I've taken an initiative about. So in this episode, we are going to talk about Amazon Athena. Alright, so what is Amazon Athena? So the Amazon Athena is just a querying tool. So basically you can start querying data instantly and you will get the results in seconds, in terms of seconds, and you will pay for only the queries that you run. So in short, you can start querying your data instantly, getting your results in seconds, and paying only for the queries that you run. So these are the 3 points that you need to remember. Now, Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL, that is structured query language. So Amazon Athena is a serverless. That means you don't need any infrastructure. You don't have to take care about the infrastructure. So there is no infrastructure to manage and you pay only for the queries that you run. Okay, so Athena is easy to use. So it is very simple to use and you can simply point to your data in Amazon S3 and define the schemas and start querying using standard SQL queries. So most results will be delivered in terms of seconds, so you will get the results in seconds, so if not within minutes. Okay, so with Athena there is no need for complex ETL jobs, that is extract, transform, load jobs, to prepare your data for analysis. So this Athena is a tool for industry which works on data, that is big data industry. Okay, so this makes it easy for anyone with SQL skills to quickly analyze large scale data sets. Okay, so after discussing or getting to know what is Athena, now let's discuss some of the benefits that Athena provides. So first things first, it is serverless, no ETL. That means you don't need to worry about any infrastructure. It is serverless, right? So you can quickly query your data without having to set up and manage any servers or data warehouses. Just point your data in Amazon S3, define a schema and start querying using a built-in query editor. So there is a built-in query editor. By using that query editor, you can query the data that is stored in S3. Okay, so the next thing is pay per query. So you only pay for the data that you are querying, only pay for the data that is scanned. With Athena, you only pay for the queries that you run. You are charged $5 per terabyte scanned by your queries. Okay, so you can save from approx 30 to 90% on your per query costs and get better performance by compressing. Okay, so it is open, powerful and standard. So what do you mean by that? Athena uses Presto with ANSI SQL support and works with variety of standard data formats including CSV, JSON, Parquet and AWRO, right? So you can use all of these data formats within Athena, and it is ideal for interactive querying and can also handle complex analysis including large joins, right? So window functions and arrays. It is fast, I mean really fast, right? So with interactive performance you can get the large data even more quicker. So with Amazon Athena, you don't have to worry about having enough compute resources to get fast, right? So interactive query performance will help you to get your data queried very quickly. So Amazon Athena automatically executes queries in parallel, so most results come back in within seconds. So that is how it works. Now let us take a look at how it actually works, right? So if you see, Athena is centered here in the center, which is serverless, highly scalable, easy to use analytics service for your data. So I've taken this image from Amazon's website, so I'm giving the credits here. So you have multiple data sources, right? So you have operational DBs, you have your data warehouses, big data, ERP, and other cloud can be Oracle Cloud, it can be Azure, GCP, all those things, and it can be even S3 also, right? So we have many different data sources, and those data are being pulled to our Amazon Athena. That means it is going to query all the data that are present here, query data from data lakes, warehouses, transactional systems, big data frameworks, and more, running on premises or in the cloud. So you can query directly using Athena, and the results can be sent to your ML tools, or you can integrate with the Power BI or any of the BI tools to analyze the data or the visualization of the data, right? So this is how Athena works. So that's it for today's video, so where we talked about Athena. So if you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. I'll see you in the next one.